Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to share a Google Drive link publicly so that anyone can access your files with ease. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Drive account and go to the home page. Once you're there, locate the file you want to share. Next, right-click on the file and select the Share option. This will open the sharing settings window where you can control who has access. By default, files are set to restricted. To make your file public, switch the setting to anyone with the link. This change allows anyone to view the file without needing a Google account. Once that's done, confirm your changes. Now your file is accessible to the public. The next step is to copy the link to your clipboard. You can then share this link anywhere, through email, social media, messaging apps, or even on a website or blog. Before you share, remember this important point. Only make files public if you truly want others to access them. Be intentional and mindful of privacy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a Google Drive link publicly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your sharing process simpler and more secure.